With energy costs continuing to rise around the world, reducing energy consumption has become a top priority for both manufacturers and consumers. Traditional resistance heating elements are notoriously inefficient, wasting a significant amount of energy and increasing operating costs. Our advanced ceramic PTC heaters solve this problem. They have a thermal efficiency of over 95%, which means almost all the electricity they consume is converted into useful heat. This results in energy savings of up to 30% compared to traditional resistance heaters. In addition to being more energy efficient, our PTC heaters also feature inherent self-temperature limiting protection, making them much safer to operate. They also have a service life that is 3 to 5 times longer than conventional heating elements, further reducing your long-term costs. Make the switch to energy-saving PTC technology today and start saving money immediately. Contact us for a free energy savings analysis.